Hi guys, I want to give you an update on Wrapong Clean and Safe Water Project. So good news. We're going to get 3 boreholes, 3 clean and safe boreholes, right? Now, 2 will be located at Wrapong and 1 will be located at the next village called PERPERTIFI, right? So we're going to get 3 boreholes, 3, right? 2 will be located at Wrapong, and I'll explain why they need 2. And then 1 will be located at the next village called PERPERTIFI. They also need water really badly. Now, this is what happened. So we just got to know about a clinic at Wrapong that doesn't have water at all. That clinic, they don't have water. They normally send students, school kids, the nurses beg school kids to go and fetch water for them to use at the clinic. So when we were told about this, we told the company, right, the Cowbell company, that's the problem. Can they help? So when they came today, they decided to help, right? So they dig 1 borehole, right, which is close to the clinic, and that will be used for the clinic. The clinic will have its own borehole, right? Its own clean and safe water, just the clinic. And then they've just dug 1 out for Wrapong town folks, right? The Wrapong town itself will have a separate, which has been dug already, for them, right? So the town people will not use the clinic one, because the clinic one will just be for the clinic, and the town people too will have their own borehole. So guys, at Wrapong, we were giving 2, and that's for free. This company just did this, right, for free. Now we also told them that, come on, please, we beg you. There's a different village, right? There's a next village which is called PERPERTIFI, and they don't have clean water. So Kamal, guys, Kamal is, man, I can't thank Kamal enough, man. Kamal is amazing. Kamal is the journalist, man, who keeps going to these villages. So he knows these villages very well. He's a journalist. He's the one who told me about the story about Wrapong, right? So Kamal, right? I'll tag him. I'm going to tag him in this video, right? His name is Kamal. So we all told the manager for the Cowbell company, come on, can he please dig 1 at PERPERTIFI? He said, okay, I'll dig it. So he's digging 1 tomorrow at PERPERTIFI. So now they've dug 2 boreholes at Wrapong today, and then tomorrow they're going to go to PERPERTIFI, and they're going to finish it by Wednesday. So we're going to get 3 boreholes, my people, 3 boreholes, and all of this is for free. For free. So I just want to let you know. I'll keep you updated at every stage of this. Remember, we still have our donation money, which is around 136 million right now, 13,600, that we've not touched. So we will find it after this project, the Wrapong project. We'll go on Facebook and we'll ask people to bring places they know on Krobo land, right? Or places they know around that need water as well. And we can use that money to dig boreholes for them too. But I want you to help me thank Kamal a lot. Kamal is the journalist who's going back and forth to the village and talking and liaising between me and the managers of the company and then the village people. He's doing really well, right? Thank you. Let's thank the Cowbell company too. They are doing really well. So I just want to let you know. Borehole 18. I'm not a borehole 18. Borehole 18. Lord, ni we know here na wado okay clinic go get Wrapong. Ne abenyu kra. Kebe an school bia me choloko ne so me school bia me choloko anyu ye ke imba. Lord na de woja. Wake okay. One Cowbell company ni, right? Ne wade make okay. When ni nga ni adino ne money ma boalo. Ne na ba ake no problem. Lo adig atwa borehole eko kan clinic o me ngakasanya kan clinic o na pale twa eko kan Wrapong cheme, like lo clinic cheme nga rap angeme a borehole lo ko Wrapong cheme ngemo a borehole o ne lo enyo nga Wrapong na pale gbenya pale de wo ke yonoko Kamal ya ade Kamal ka yonoko nge akasanya yo eko no ngakasanya na chele ke PERPERTIFI me wa benyu kai bu na no na. no akwale de company o Cowbell chemi wa de me wanyi me wa panye pe nyi kwani mo bua wa no akwale mo na borehole nge PERPERTIFI lo ake no problem lo ahon engineers ya here PERPERTIFI mo no lo wo machine man ma cho borehole nge PERPERTIFI nge yuo economy nge Wrapong kasanya lo wa nge 3 borehole right borehole ete anga cho anwo ne anga cho free lenyi me sika ne wa chuo hunye wa nge sika ma pay 136 million. Right, 13,600 right now. Ne wa tell lolo. Lo ka to Wrapong no meto na gbenye na wale gan ska go bi yan yo. Wa ba Facebook no basically come no le ko nge clue. He ko ne ahyanyu. Okay, list o mo ba. No ma ayu obi no here dem na ahyanyu wa no mo start ke majele nyu. Right? We must start ke majele nyu. Together we can do a lot of things. Ko apeka ki yo. O mo ni mo bua yi ni na nge you no na abenyo mo ni mo bua me. Enyi mi me nyechum kra ila ma de nyi no nyechum.